Those are rats.
Hello friends, it's me, your friendly neighborhood mess. So today we are reviewing the worst hotel in my city, which I am in Las Vegas right now, and there are a lot of dingy, nasty, disgusting, sketchy places. Looks like I hit the jackpot. So I actually just came back, and I can tell you, boy, what a day. So we had this first place in mind. Let me tell you, these places make other people's, reviewing the worst hotel seem like a Four Seasons. I think Vegas has some of the worst places you could possibly stay at. Let me read you some of the reviews. If you stay here, you will regret it. Roaches, and the maintenance man steals. Be very careful. Whoa! Carpet is stained and dirty. When we moved in, I found fingernail clippings on the floor. Sick! Not the good kind. Scorpions in lights for 8 months now, and still there. There are scorpions. Without a doubt, the most disgusting and filthy hotel I've ever seen. The office staff is rude and incredibly arrogant. It costs over $1,000 a month to stay in a one-bedroom shoebox. Should be no star. The most awful place to stay in Vegas. Seriously, you would be better off anywhere else. Security barges into your apartment. Front desk is extremely rude. And of course, bed bugs. They charge way too much to stay at that slum. The rooms are scorpion and roach infested, and the help does whatever they feel like. For the price, a tent at Lake Mead is a better option for those on a tight budget. So they're saying it's better to stay in a tent on the lake. Yeah, I think that's actually much better. Flooring. Wow, somebody just stole a title. Must have been the maintenance guy. So we're on our way to the hotel. It's not that far. Digital used to live around there. So he's coming with me. He's recording.
Oh, was I supposed to say something?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure they know I'm recording, unless it's like
They
all
don't
those.
know that. They'd be like, who's recording?
Unless it's all those people like, why is it digital? Why is it not sausage?
Sausage doesn't record.
Nor does he like dirty places, so.
Yeah.
This one's a big no from him.
Yeah. Anywhere dirty, not 5 stars. Unless it's like McDonald's or... McDonald's and Taco Bell, he loves that. Nah, but he's like a big clean freak. I guess I am too. And this is gonna be really gross.
Hey, pause.
Okay.
Get ready. I can't wait till all these people get mad at you. Alright, go.
Jeez. Damn, grandma behind me hella mad. I'm sorry. It wasn't me.
Is it illegal to pause on the freeway?
Oh, we're off to the hotel, the nastiest, dirtiest hotel. Only 1 star.
Is it really only 1 star?
Yeah, it's actually only 1 star. Like
the outside looks nice.
Yeah, but there was a handful of hotels that were like 1 star. They got hella cockroaches, they got scorpions, they got crackheads. One of the reviews was like, this crackhead was banging at my door at 3 a.m. asking me if I wanted a haircut. I'm excited to go there. I really want someone to knock on my door. There's some crazy stuff that happens at night because it's like, it's in Vegas. It's a very like, it's not the best area, not even close. And there was a bunch of stories about people like banging on the door, like crazy drunk people banging on the door. We're gonna just chill and see what happens.
Yeah, guys, so she got evicted. She's living with me since I'm so nice.
Yeah, thanks for letting me crash at your crib.
She's just very nervous about not showing you the full house.
Yeah, I'm just recording in a closet right now. You know, I'm very humble because your house is just so nice.
Thanks.
Wahoo Tacos. Ooh, I want to go to Wahoo Tacos.
Several days later.
So there was hella traffic. We've been driving a while. We are almost there. Is it this? I'm starting to see some sketchy motels. I think it's this one. Okay, so I gotta bust a fat U because there's nowhere to turn around here. So yes, let's go. There's another one over here. So I don't know. We're kind of on the outskirts. Middle of nowhere. What are you laughing at?
Because we're gonna go and ask, hey, can I get a room for like a couple hours?
No, he's staying there the whole night. We're staying there at night.
He's like, good on you, dude.
Yeah, okay, so in Vegas, like when people stay at like these sketchy hotels, it's for
what?
Like 2 reasons.
What's the first one?
The first one. Do I even have to? I think everybody knows why. Or your girlfriend or your wife.
It's for a nice time out.
Friend, yeah. For date night. For rated R date night.
Rated R date night?
Yes. And the second reason So I wonder what they're gonna think. Like, we don't look that sketchy. I don't know about you, but I don't look that sketchy. You got the beanie on.
It's a look, dude.
It is, but I wonder what they're gonna think of us going into a hotel room. Who's paying who? I really want to know what they're gonna think, or if they'll make any comment. Maybe I'm buying my homeless friend a room for the night.
That could be true.
Newly renovated. Look at that.
Oh, snap.
Newly renovated. That is newly renovated. Okay, here we go. Open 24 hours. No sh, it's a hotel, but it says open 24 hours.
Ooh, furnished suites.
Ooh, fancy. It's like a broken down castle. Look at the outside of it. Look at this dude's parking.
He's in the car.
Really? Oh, he's in the car, but he took up 1.5 parking spots. Like, he don't give up. He's still sitting in his car. Like, he don't care. Okay, we're gonna go in. I'm gonna check out. I haven't even went there. I wanna check out. Should I move the car?
Yes.
Something's up. He's doing something in his lap. Like, he's doing something. Oh, there's somebody else in the car? What? I didn't see that guy.
You just see her pop her head up.
I saw him pop his head up.
Oh!
I don't know what's going on. Okay, we're gonna bust a fat U. I don't know what kind of suspicious illegal activity is going on in that car right there. We went to the wrong hotel. We were supposed to go to the Four Seasons. Duh. It doesn't even look like this is open. Where do you go in? Oh, the front is right there. They just look like they're having.
It's a gas. Is that a gas? It used to be a gas station.
It used to be a gas station / hotel. Bro, that car is gone now. We're gonna park here. There's security cameras. I feel safe. Well, oh, it looks like they ripped them out. Jeez. Oh, there's one of them.
Yeah, let's look at these.
No, bro,
let's look at these security cameras in use where they've been ripped out.
Okay, let's get out of here. I'm not sure where the entrance is. See, this is the nicer. This is the nice side of it, and then this is the sketchy one. Okay, so this one is actually closed, like it's shut down.
Oh wait, follow me, I found a bed for us.
Here's the next option. All right, here we go. Here's our room. Wow.
Oh man, two? They got two beds?
Okay, 2 beds. I bet I could kick this and cockroaches will come flying out. You'll be persecuted. Okay, so I called that place before. They had a phone system set up and everything, but nobody answered. So I did some research and that place didn't just shut down. They renovated and made their hotel into apartments. You can live there as if like a 1-week stay isn't good enough. So we went to another place across the street that was a 1.5 star. So I was like, okay, hopefully this is just as bad. Upon checking in, they needed a bunch of like identification. It was like you were getting an apartment because you have to stay 1 week minimum. And we were like, do we really want to do this? And then we were like, okay, let's drive to a hotel. And then on our way back, we drove and saw the dingiest, nastiest, mustiest, crustiest motel I have ever seen in my life. And I was like, okay, here. We are going to stay here. And that's what we did. Oh my God. After 2 places, we got this one. Looking like the Home Depot.
Because of the colors?
Hell yeah. Okay, the sketchiest of them all. Honestly, I would rather sleep in my car if I had to than this.
Your car's probably more comfortable.
I know. Okay, here we go. Let's go check in. This place was so small. Like, it's like the size of my closet. I'm not even kidding. That is the lobby. And there's just like a little window where you slide your credit card in and your ID. She checks you in. It smells really bad here. It smells horrible. So daily is $75. Jesus. You can get a hotel on the strip for less than that. We've got to be desperate, like absolutely desperate. Total movement is $85. Okay, here we go. $85. Okay, so they're out on property. They want me to call them to... Wow, there's only 1 person working here.
What about that chick that we saw in the
One
back?
person working here. And the person working at the lobby also checks all the room and like handles everything else. It's like a 1 employee establishment. Like, this woman did everything. She like cleaned the rooms, check up on the people, and check people in. And this place was hella expensive for what you were getting. It was $85 a night. Like, hotels in the area, it was $250 for a week. You get a whole week, but this place, it was $85 a night. For literally a shoebox. Like, you got a bed, you got a sink, a TV, TV, mini shower that digital couldn't even fit in, and a toilet. I swear a prison cell is bigger than what we were getting.
This is the whole thing. We literally circled this like 5 times to find the room, which was literally right here. It doesn't even have like the number on it. I need to lock my car. Oh my god. Our room is literally by the office where the girl checked us in. I think she wants to keep an eye on us or something.
That's how you tell it's our room with the little Sharpie written in.
Oh, it's literally Sharpie. Is that gonna open? Oh, okay, you got it.
Oh, you ready? Alright.
Oh, look how... Here we go. Oh my god, what the f is this? You barely fit. Oh my god, here, take me for comparison for size.
Here's the bed. Oh, I can't even breathe in here. It smells hella dank.
It smells like smoke.
It smells dank AF. Oh, hello, we have light. Oh, we have a bathroom.
There's like no privacy.
I don't even think you can fit in the shower. Like, you really can't even fit in the shower.
My school's bathroom was bigger than this. Oh man.
I did not even... Oh my god.
Already.
Alright, this is huge.
Already.
Like a baby cockroach. It's like she knew we were YouTubers and wanted to give us the worst room. Did you sleep on this bed?
You buy me a new computer, I'll sleep in that bed. That's how much it's worth.
It's soft. The pillow, firm.
I wouldn't touch that pillow for you. To be honest, you can sleep on the bed, I'll sleep on the floor. That's how much I distrust
I
this
want
man.
to know what's under the bed. Like, if there's anything under the bed.
Look at this dude, he's still crawling around. That was not planned.
What is all of this all over the sink? Like there's yellow. Ugh. I put this because it was a little wet. Ugh. What the? The shower is dirty. I just can't get over the smell. Like, smells so gross. Hello, friends. It's me. Toilet looks clean. We got half a roll of toilet paper. Very nicely included that. Mirror broken. Sorry, that's probably my fault. Digital next got his takeout from the worst restaurant.
We doing the worst reviewed food in the worst reviewed room.
Here's the size comparison. Digital next. Oh my god. You are as big as the door. And then there's like a foot to the ceiling. Like you could touch the ceiling, no problem. We got the good old popcorn ceilings. Fire alarm is pulled right out.
No,
We got
no,
our
if we blaze
beautiful
it up in here.
painting. Oh, it's like glued to the wall.
Let's see if this
so
works.
you can't steal it. The heater. Oh, we got air.
Alright, it works.
Ew, it smells so bad. Okay, so I mean, this is the room. It smells really bad. The floor is dirty. Everything's dirty here.
Everything's sticky. Oh, there's a fire alarm.
Oh!
We found it. What is that? What's that rag next to it?
The fire alarm and some socks, I think. That's, oh god, it smells so bad. Smell that, smell that. Go down, go down and smell that. Oh my god. I don't know what that is.
Oh, that smells like mold.
Oh god.
Oh.
That was nasty. So we got the TV over here. Cox, where you at?
That's the internet provider, by the way.
Oh, fancy luxury. We got a TV. It works. Colgate, you're gonna have to pay to do an ad in my video. Oh god. Ew, a Q-tip. And oh my god, look at this corner over here. Ew.
Dare you to use that Q-tip.
Somebody put their number or something. Is there a window? It's so loud here.
What a wonderful view.
Yes, beautiful. I can see the sky. All right. Do I dare check what's on the bed? There's like specks of black. Do you guys see it? Oh, is that something? Is that the shadow? Or what is that?
That's a stain, my dude.
Ew.
Woo!
Ew.
Go ahead and lay down.
No, you lay down.
I told you you can get the bed. I'll get the floor.
Why don't you lay down and then I'll make it rain on you in this bed.
You want me to twerk?
Yes. Would you lay down on this bed for $20?
$20? That's
I'll make it rain.
the room was more than that.
I can't believe this room was $85. Like, let's see what's under the bed. What's under the bed, under the mattress? Ew! What
Yo, there was a party.
the? Oh my god, this mattress is moldy. That's mold. That's actually mold. Oh my god, this smells so disgusting.
The place was in very, very bad condition. I don't know if the light wasn't working like it was supposed to because it was like a DIY thing, but we didn't really see many stains.
Are you ready for the black light?
Yeah.
The black light challenge test. Okay, so here's the light, the black light test. Ew, is there something on the wall? No, I don't think so.
Why didn't it show up? I don't think this works as well as it's supposed to.
Oh, I have no idea where to get actual black light on a short notice.
Ew, there's like on the ground, stuff on the door. Bro, this is like leaking everywhere. The shower's like leaking. Like the whole
Is it
floor,
really?
The whole floor is wet now. Do you see this? The whole floor is wet.
There's a rat!
No! I don't know
So
if
good.
this black light is working. It's not. Because we kind of made our own. It was just like with the phone.
Maybe this place is like really good
Maybe
at like
it's
cleaning.
clean. Maybe it's actually clean.
Nah,
It's
this
good at
place ain't clean. Especially when you find hair and a stain in your bed. Yeah, it's not clean.
Ew. Check out the food. Oh, that actually looks good. So Digital is going to be reviewing some nasty food on his channel. Ew, why does this floor look wet?
It actually does look wet. It's like little spots everywhere.
Is it even wet? Yeah, I think
It
it
looks
is
sticky.
wet. Ew.
I regret putting my
I don't
backpack on
think
the
it's.
ground.
I know. I just bought these shoes.
Good, they were trash anyway.
So I don't know if they just bleach the whole room, like between guests. Do they do the laundry? Because I heard of like big hotels, expensive hotels, not washing the sheets. I don't know, man. It makes you wonder.
Bro, I got these people just standing here staring at me. Oh, and somebody else came out. What y'all doing? About to engage in some illegal activity.
She's like, I need to check the room out, so let me go in there and see, is anyone in there? I'm like, no. And then as soon as you get in there, I'm like, as a heads up, I spilled nachos, and I didn't know where a broom was, so. And I'm like, if you have a trash can, I'll throw this away for you. And she's like, there's a trash can right there. She's like, don't worry, honey, I'll get room service to clean it up.
Okay. I'm sure that's not as bad as she was expecting. She gotta check the room, make sure there's nobody in there.
I know, she's like, why are they sitting there so short?
I know.
I mean,
We just went in there to eat nachos.
that's all we went to do.
Yeah.
Would you stay at this hotel? Comment below. So we filmed a video on Digital's channel trying the most disgusting 1-star restaurant and the most disgusting 1-star motel. So I'll leave a link in the description below. Check out his channel if you want to see what we ate. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed and would not stay here, make sure you hit that like button in the face and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.